Buenos dias, mi gente. Good morning, my people. We're here trekking again today. We found another trail that we want to explore. But I want to read a Bible verse. Quiero leerle un versículo de la Biblia que dice en Nahum 1:7 que dice: Jehová es bueno, fortaleza en el día de la angustia, y conoce a los que en él confían. Okay, read it in English. Nahum, I'm sorry, not Nahum. Yeah, Nahum. Nahum 1:7, guys. Okay, we're gonna start our trail today. So
we're in Lucien Park.
We're here. This is Webster, I think, already.
Lucien Morin Park.
Between Rochester and the city and Webster. Okay, so come join us, guys. Oh, it's right there. Lucien Morin Park. It's a bird nest right here. Dogs must be leashed at all times. Clean up after your pet, guys. So let's follow the rules, the signs. Pay attention to all the signs. And here we go. I guess if you are like in a 4-track motorcycle, I guess, or something, park speed limit. Here we go. The birds, las aves. Esto parece aquí como un cañaveral. Para allá. Vamos a ver.
I don't know what those are. Some sort of or like
boysenberries.
Berries.
This looks like boysenberries.
Boysenberries.
Poison. I'm sorry. I said poison is poison.
They might be poison.
Please don't eat this unless you know exactly what it is. And try to gear up when you're like doing this kind of trekking or going on a little trail.
And bring water because it's hot.
Bring water. Show the water that we bought or that we got. Okay. This is not a promotion to them, but just to let you know that we're drinking water. Okay. There's a bench. There's a bench right here. I don't know. But see, this reminds me like PR, Puerto Rico. Back in the days, the sugarcane industry. It's like a stuck water right there, like a little creek, huh? Hey, marsh. Look at that, see?
Como un pantano, marsh.
Marsh. Un pantano. Un pequeño pantano. Pero para allá. Tenemos que estar bien pendientes porque ayer se nos cruzaron 2 venados. Así que we gotta pay attention. Look at your surroundings, guys. Because yesterday we encountered 2 deer. And a small snake. You know, different bugs and animals that they were, you know, this is their habitat.
Yep.
So look at your surroundings, you know. So be safe. Safe, guys. Safety. See, guys? There's a little frog. Look at that. Telling you.
Almost walked
Seafood.
over it. It's not gonna move. Froggy, froggy. Go, go, go. I guess you could go through there, but I'm not going to.
Oh my goodness, there's a trail right here. I don't know. Something tells me
That's too woodsy.
leave
for
it
me.
alone. Let's go and keep with this trail. It's kind of nice and you know, you see the sun and everything. Let's leave it alone. Maybe some other time. Guys, there's some animal, like a deer footprint track. See it? So look at your surroundings. It seems like we are the only people here today so far. We haven't seen anyone here. Yo creo que somos las únicas personas que estamos aquí hoy. Por el momento no hemos visto ningún tipo de persona. No ningún tipo, sino personas. Pero sí hemos visto rastros de huellas. Hemos visto diferentes otros bugs or animals. Vamos a ver. Mira para allá. Se monte para allá adentro. There's a map. Hay un mapa. Aquí de.
So apparently there was a rifle range
Oh wow,
at
that's
some point in time.
It's probably there still or what?
I don't know.
No?
I have no idea. I don't know. See, that's like Irondequoit Creek.
Irondequoit Creek. You see that? Plus you have.
So it's kind of, this is where we were. This is parking. So it goes all the way.
Yeah.
And then it just kind of goes off. And you can go back.
This is County of Monroe, guys. Right? There's a trail that way. We're not going that way today. It's deep inside the woods. We want to keep this trail. That's stuck water right here. It's actually water. Eso es agua. El lago. Mira esto.
It's like one of my worst nightmares to fall into something like that.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's a bench over there. Let's see it. See, I hear people. I hear someone. Oh, there's people over there. I hear people. Just gotta be alert, guys. On your six all the time. Let's see, there's people. There's a lady walking. My goodness. This is sand. Looks like sand. Look at that. Oh, wow. Mira esto. Look at this. Gracias a Dios, there's no alligators here. Thank God there's no alligators. Gracias a Dios que no hay cocodrilos, ni caimanes, ni nada, porque ya sabe que esto aquí, o hay alguien, mira, está en kayak. Everybody, kayak. They're kayaking. Oops. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. Some ladies, they're doing kayaking. That's awesome. Wow. For those that you don't know, I had a kayaking in San Antonio, Texas, and it's fun. It's a really good exercise. See it? I don't want to record people like that because I want to respect their privacy a little, even though they're in the outdoors, okay? So that is legal. It's legal to record, guys. Exercise your right. Beautiful. And here we go. Up the hill we go.
Yeah, it's marked.
Huh?
It's marked.
Yeah, see the marks? It's in blue. My wife is rocking the Buc-ee's sweater because we live in Texas for so many years.
All right. Just
Okay.
take decisions.
One
Right or left?
trail and another trail.
Let's go left.
Okay, let's go left. My wife is the guide here. Okay, that's the trail that we're not gonna go. We decided to go this trail. Man, this is steep.
Yep.
This is steep, guys. Toda una cuesta y media. No parece.
Beautiful.
We're going up the hill. And it's beautiful. Hold on, let me be careful, okay? You hear me? There's a lake. I mean, I'm gonna say it's a canal or beautiful. You guys see it? Wow. Oh, look at the duck. There's a duck. He went down the... And he haven't come up. He's fishing. My wife is over here. Just be careful. There's hay un risco. Huh?
There's just little trails.
Little trails that connects, right?
Yeah, you can go up. And you keep going that way.
Let me see. Let's go that way. Just be careful. There's an edge here that is very dangerous. If you don't have balance, I have a little bit of unbalance because of my knee, but I can manage. I can manage. Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, this is very down. This is very steep going down, and we don't want to risk it.
I mean, I think you can truck that way too, but I'm not sure.
Guys, if your heart, your mind is telling you not to do something, don't do it. You know, follow your instinct, follow your gut, because, you know, it's not worth it, you know.
You can go down. You can walk that way.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's
It's safe. Oh, let's go. See, my wife is telling, you know. Sideways, okay? My wife has a stick because you never know, right? Let's go around. Wow, ten cuidadito. Telling my wife to be careful. No, go ahead. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. This is steep. It doesn't, maybe in the video you can't notice it, but it's steep going down. And there's a pond or kind of a lake, or I don't know. Just gotta be careful. But it's beautiful. The wind, you can feel the wind, the peace. This is all God, guys. Look at this. You can feel, really, when you're doing this kind of stuff, you can feel literally God speaking, you know? And that's why we're doing this. We connect with God, we connect with nature. My wife is just like throwing something in there, but I don't know. She's probably going down. If you don't feel safe to go down, don't do it. Just use your common sense, okay? And we're gonna follow this trail now to go maybe a little bit down, more down, or
Well, we can't go that way.
yeah, we can't go that way. It's completely that's the end of it. But see, we went down that, and it's you know, it rained yesterday, last night, and so it's a little wet. It's okay, you know, but
Yeah, it's not crazy.
it's not that crazy. So beautiful.
So this is a little more tricky than we have started to do lately. But like I said yesterday, if you don't try it, I mean, you're never gonna know. Plus, you can decide whether you want to do it or not. You know what I'm saying? Like, if it's just too much for you, don't do it.
Don't do it.
You know, if you don't feel safe, don't do it.
If you follow the, you know, if you have, you know, some kind of like
if you got some health issues,
medical issues or things like that, I think that it would help you, but you know, consult with your doctor. Maybe you know, if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or some kind of thing like that.
That, and you know your body.
And you know your body, correct.
So we all know our body. If I had seen that I wasn't gonna be able to make it down that hill, then I was gonna go straight back. Straight back up. So, yep.
That is stuck water, guys. You don't want, no one wants to fall in there. Eso es agua estancada. Nadie quiere caer ahí. Ok. Como dije anteriormente, gracias a Dios que aquí no hay lagarto, cocodrilo, o caimanes, como usted lo quiera llamar. Estamos en la Florida y en Puerto Rico sí están saliendo, así que en San Antonio son las culebras, rattlesnakes y todo. Water moccasins.
Cottonmouth.
Yep. See,
Black widows.
look at that.
But people still go hiking. You just gotta take precautions.
Yeah.
Is that it still looks like people go through here quite a bit because the path is pretty clear. I mean, it's not like overgrown or, you know? Like people still do this on a regular basis. So, I mean, I'm sure during winter it's a different story, but right now,
Yeah.
it's pretty good.
See this? And then we gotta go up that way. That looks very slippery.
Yeah.
This is very slippery.
No, you go down. Because if not, we're both going. You got it?
No, espérate, mami. Now let me hold my wife, okay? Diantre. Espérate, mami. Déjame ayudarte.
Cool. Yep.
Woo. If you're scared of heights, don't do this. I continue to ask my wife if she's okay. She's okay. She's okay. ¿Estás bien? ¿Estás bien?
Está bien suave.
Acabamos de ver algo que se metió en un boquete allí.
Well, he didn't tell me that. He said he saw a hole.
Something went inside. I'm like, I didn't tell my wife because I didn't want to get her
He's like, oh,
scared.
what is that? It's a hole. He didn't say there was anything in the hole.
It wasn't time to record it because safety's first. And we don't want to fall in there. That's for sure.
That was a fierce chipmunk that just went up.
Really?
Yep.
A what?
Monk.
A chipmunk. Like, be careful. Don't, guys, look, see these? These branches? Just get it out of the way. You don't want to step on that. If you step on that, you might fall. Si te paras en eso, en esa rama, te puede caer. Y la seguridad es tuya primero. Mira, hay otra más. Vamos a sacarla. Cosas así. There's a lot of leaf. So you just gotta be cautious. Step with caution. Con mucho cuidadito. Quizá vamos a tener que subir. No vamos a poder bajar para allá. Vamos a tener que subirla así, ¿ves? Está el trail. Sí, porque aquí no hay ningún tipo de trail. Podemos bajar, pero de nalga. Mushroom.
And they're everywhere right now because it's so humid. And it's been raining.
Champiñones, ¿verdad? Champiñones.
Yeah, but not the kind you would say.
That's not the type of that's not what is it?
Portobello.
Portobello. I was gonna say something else. Portobello mushroom. That's not it.
It might be more portobello.
My wife says it might be more portobello because you're gonna te vas a morir. You might die if you eat it. So you don't want to risk it. There's a branch right there. There's a tree. If you see, like, you gotta hold with the trees. Hold with the trees. Vamos a ahí. Vamos a salir por aquí porque, again, I have to switch phone. I don't know what's going on with my phone, with my camera, but I almost fell right there. I got a little. I hit myself with a branch, and I almost fell. We go downhill again. Well, if you have some type of chimney that uses wood, this is a place that you want to come and I guess. I don't know if it's legal, but I'm just saying because look.
You almost slipped on the branches.
You almost, what?
Those little branches, you roll.
Yes. See? These branches. That's what happened to me. Talking about safety and we're here like
your feet roll and then you're on your butt.
Oh my God, see? My
Or
wife
with a
is
twist
sweating.
ankle. But look.
Water break. Drink water.
Even my hands are sweating.
Hmm?
Even my hands are sweating.
Yeah.
So we went that way and we ended up this way.
Yeah, we went this way. End up coming down this way.
But we can go up and that way. See what we see. No?
Yeah, we can try.
I mean, unless you want to go somewhere else and just...
I saw a chipmunk, but it went up. We missed it. Baby.
It's hot.
Super hot, guys.
Humid. It's really
We're all
humid.
sweating. Look at my hat.
Yeah.
You can see the sweat.
It's not so much hot right here where the woods are, it's just the humidity. And since we're close to all of that water, it makes it worse. So you gotta be prepared to have water because you're gonna get dehydrated. And you can have like some sort of heat stroke or something.
Yep. My wife, for those that you don't know, I think she's a doctor, kidding, just kidding. But she knows a lot about medical stuff. I don't know why. I don't know how. She reads. Oh, look at that bird, guys. Oh,
Right there.
mira.
Right
¿Dónde está?
there. The bushes. Se metió para allá.
Oh, man.
I was trying to record a butterfly, but it left. There's my hut. Because he needs to. I was telling him he needs to drink more water. We're going past the marsh again. Listen, there's a lot more trails. There's just too many for one day. There's all of this in the back is marsh. If you turn around, all of this is marsh back here, and this goes on for miles and miles. This is another reserve. It's another conservational spot. See, it goes all the way down there, and you can see all the little trails.
Huh? Mira eso, mi gente. Como una paloma. ¿Dónde está?
No, it's a squirrel.
Oh, ese squirrel. De allá parece un pájaro.
It looks like a bird from over here.
Mira, está comiendo.
The squirrels
Oh.
around here are well fed. It has a baby.
Y tiene un, mira,
So
vámonos.
they're even more dangerous if you approach them because they're going to be protective of their babies. I was just saying how you could go down that trail, but that's what you may encounter.
Oh, wow. Tenía un bebé, el venado.
Which how awesome that you could see that, right?
Pero tampoco no se atrevan tratar de,
The wildlife.
exacto, de acercarse a ellos porque ellos pueden atacar. Son animales salvajes.
But it sure is cool to find one on the way.
That's crazy. Yo estoy mirando para atrás porque uno nunca sabe. Looking back. Oh, man. I just saw another chimney and I can't. They're so fast. They are so fast that I can never. Where is it? Where? Where? Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. All right, my people, my bambanes, we finished. It was an experience. ¿Y tú algo?
It's a nice little trek. Está chévere, está bonito. And listen, we're not experts at doing this. We just started. Solamente queremos ver lo que hay, experimentar las cosas que uno no ha hecho antes. You just gotta be careful. So have fun, enjoy it, be prepared. You know, have your shoes, have your water, and all that. Get the good stuff and just have fun.
Yep.
If you don't feel like you can do it, don't do it. If you feel like you can, just go for it.
Y no se olvide que Dios los ama. Jehová es nuestra fortaleza, nuestro pronto auxilio en la tribulación, en las tribulaciones. Así que para adelante, mi gente. Hasta mañana. Bye bye.
Bye.